Hey guys, it's Kaitlyn. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best hot apple cider. This recipe makes 11 cups, so you can share it with all your friends and family, and it'll be gone in no time. If you love hot apple cider like me, you're gonna love this recipe. I can't wait any longer, so let's get started. First, we're gonna need 12 apples. I love the balance of a little tart and a little sweet. So we have 6 Granny Smith apples and 6 Honeycrisp apples. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna wash them really well, and then we're going to dice them. Now that we've cut our apples into large dice, we are going to add them to a really large stock pot. And we're also gonna add 1 cup of light brown sugar. You can always add more later after it's done. We're also gonna add a pinch of salt. Now let's get our spice bundle ready. So we're gonna grab a cheesecloth like this, and we're gonna put 4 cinnamon sticks in the center, a teaspoon of allspice, and 1 nutmeg. And we're just going to bundle them up and then tie them. You can tie them with a string, or I just have some extra cheesecloth here. We're just gonna tie them up to keep them in place. Now we're going to add our little spice bundle to our stock pot. We're going to add enough water to submerge our apples. Mine needed around 20 cups of water, but it all depends on the size of your apples, so just make sure they're submerged. And now we're going to cover it and put it on our stove on high heat. Cook on high heat for 2.5 to 3 hours, or until reduced to half with a beautiful caramel color. Now that our apples are all done, we've let them cool. My house smells amazing. You guys are gonna love this recipe because it makes your house smell like the holidays. We're going to remove our little spice bag that we created, and then we're going to strain the mixture. So we're going to take our cooled apple mixture, and we're going to use either a cheesecloth or a nut milk bag, which is my favorite, and we're going to strain the apples and get our apple cider. So we have our nut milk bag, and we're just going to squeeze the apples. Nut milk bags are a lot more fine than cheesecloth, so that's why I really love using this. It gets it done a lot faster, and it's a lot cleaner. I'm gonna continue straining, and I will see you soon. That is so good. You guys have to try this. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite fall drink? You know mine. Check out more videos here. You know, this would go great with my pumpkin muffins. Check that out over here. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you so much, and I will see you next time.